Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see which key to use to select everything in Word document. We start by entering the Word document and clicking somewhere in it. Next, to select all the text, we will do the Control key combination plus A. After that, we will see our selected text. If you are using a Mac, you can use the Command combination plus A to select all the text. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.